Viewers and subscribers, wagwan, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Jayblem at this up Skeng, plus we also have Malie and Byron and Squash at this up the 7th. Viewers and subscribers, make we jump right into it, but first subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, leave a like and click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. See me? Yeah man, big up on yourself and make we jump in it.
Yo, my Jay.
I will give.
I won't give him a feel. I will try again. I won't give him a feel. I will try again.
Fully blame.
You know what I realize? You see them artists are them bad, you know. Them bad. Them have talent. You see me? But it just born me for know say the man them always bring it out on the streets. You see me? Yo, you see Jayblem, the youth him tough. No joke. The youth drop a song and it name Ananda Alrert. The youth him a this up Skeng wicked. Him say a bag of things and viewers and subscribers. Me a make on hear what go on. You see me? Yeah man, the youth is a member of the 6 camp. I said that in my last review. But him a this up Skeng by himself. You see me? And remember, viewers and subscribers, Skeng have a song, a preview where him go drop and this up the whole 6 camp, but him a aim it off a Squash. Viewers and subscribers, Jayblem a fire theme shot them after Skeng. Him not care about no other man. Him a fire theme on a shot them after Skeng. Yo, make we jump right into it.
No, we are step me kill and not do the talking. Be a dead body, watch another shadow balling. Not keep on a 7 before dark from morning.
The entertainer say, a be a dead body, Navas do the balling. Viewers and subs don't know say Navas and Skeng them link up, you see me? Yeah man, them link. Them over on the 7th side. Plus the entertainer also say, yo, knock it on a 7 before dark from morning.
Crooks we go shoot them brawling and miggle they play pressure them very often. You never buy a gun and spear town charge. Pussy them a liar.
Send crooks we go shoot them brawling. Viewers and subs, no fun never knowing about. You see, the genocide and the 6 them link, you know. But it's just that you're not gonna really hear Massacre name in it like that. Because you know Massacre doing the film on a thing. You see me? But Massacre and Squash them have a good I don't know if it's a relationship, but a good friendship. You see me? You want them link. So there so now you hear Jayblem say, yo, send the crooks them if you go knock it on them brawling. Something like that. So right there, so viewers and subscribers, Jayblem a show on the connection with the 6 and the crooks. And you don't know say from I say crooks a genocide say, and from I say genocide massacre. You see me? Yeah man, and remember viewers and subscribers say Skeng CM1 fire shot after massacre, but massacre never respond. You see me? Yeah man, so the link are one link. Don't get it wrong. The crooks and the 6 them link. Yo, hold on. Viewers and subs, hold on. Jayblem must say, them catch Skeng sit down in a Buddha lap. Yo, that youth him not easy, you know. And I realize that, you know, yo, him sang them tough. And like I said to you know, viewers and subscribers, that youth him a this up Skeng, you know. I don't want to feel like say that youth is a normal run over, you know, for Skeng, you know. That youth him talented and him tough, you know. Him a this you up, you know. I don't want to say him face to that of females them, you see me? Yeah man. But that youth, yo, the man said them catch Skeng a sit down in a Buddha lap. And you know, say if a video like that leak with Skeng in a brother, Skeng badness and in career done enough viewers and subscribers, you know. Try remember that.
Remember your girl, tell mother stop singing man them crime little boy you is a informer. Britney what you fuck say you freak when the Malie power suck pussy Skeng for come.
Jayblem also say a female tell him say Skeng a freak when the Malie pop. Viewers and subs, you know, don't know say when you take certain substance, you know, on the system it kinda change, you know, for a while. You see me? It bring out a different side of you. It's like when you drink rum and you get drunk, you knock out for the night and you're not gonna really remember what you did last night because of the rum. You see me? You do a bag or something because you're drunk, and when you wake up, you'll be like, yo, what happened last night? So basically now, Jayblem must say, yo, the female tell him, says, Skeng, yo, viewers and subs, Jayblem no easy, I swear to God, the youth, him not just a disrespect Skeng, him a embarrass him. I call him freak and a bag of things. So somebody, me don't know the person, so I just say someone that goes by the name of Daquan did I go box up Skeng and Jayblem stop it. Well, a Jayblem I say it. Me don't know how true it is, so we're gonna use a ledge. You see me? Jayblem also went direct. You see me? Him used the Skeng picture and him also called Skeng name. So that's why I have to say big up to Jada Kingdom them, you know, because it come like say a Jada Kingdom make the man them brave up, because but then the man them used to beat around bush, bro. And the man them never want to go direct, they never want to call a name, them rather drop shades. And now since lately the man them a go direct, bro. Name a call, picture show. Me like it. No joke. Color here. Viewers and subs. Skeng is a youth, him known for a change the color him ear. You see me? I think one time, nothing. Skeng they have in a red color ear, and in our next music video him have adding a blue color ear. I don't remember the music video name. I don't remember the song name. Elvis, I suppose Elvis something. I don't remember. But yeah man, Skeng is a youth, him always a change up his ear color. So Jayblem there, so I use it against him and I call Skeng Sprat. He's a freak. You see me? Yeah man, so Skeng always a change up him ear color. And you see me for style, but otherwise, you know, the man them I use it against him and call him freak and this him like when you hear Jayblem do. You see me? But when we rate with a youth, not just bad, but him tough. Him lyrics them a connect, and I like the fact say him a call name, him a grow in the bush, him a go direct and I say Skeng, are you me at all, bro? Because I think a good while now, Jayblem a fire shot after Skeng and Skeng not respond to him. Skeng need that medicine, you see me? But I don't know if this song where Skeng a go drop, if Skeng a go diss him or, you see me, we have to just wait and see. But a long time Jayblem a fire shot after Skeng. And that youth, yo, I don't know, him tough. Yes, I can't hold back. No, I not beat around bush. I'm not try to hold back. No, I be as 100% with Uno. The youth him tough, and him have a lot of information. I'm rate that. You see me? Yeah, man. So maybe don't think about that, viewers and subscribers. Ananda Alrert from Jayblem. Big up yourself, bro. So this is a live with Byron Messiah, Malie, Squash and some more. Yeah man, them link up and I shoot a music video. You see me? And if you know a question yourself and I ask if Malie is a part of the 6, well yes, Malie is a part of the 6. And Byron Messiah says Z-Tech him and Prince Swanee par, you see me? So you know say the Z-Tech them link with the 6. So be a connection, bro. Be a connection out there. So viewers and subscribers, that's why I see 3 of them link up now and I'm gonna drop a music video. But anyways, only can make me know think about that. The youth them enjoy themselves and we just want them keep it in the studio and low off of the streets, bro. Yo, the man are talented, you know. I'm tired to say it, bro. The man them talented, bro. The man them just need to low off of the streets and keep it in the studio. And since lately, I let me see I go on. So I can't complain. I can't even last me here say 6 or 7 drop out, and me actually like say that me at here, you see me? Yeah man, cause Malie them a big artist, Squash them a big artist, Byron Messiah a big artist. Most of me no rate him, but him a go on good for him time since him jump out, you see me? So all of them a big artists, so big up to them same way, views and subs. Make me know think about that, you see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself. ASAP BG, big up yourself, bro. You see me? Big up yourself, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. Like up the video and share it up, and also subscribe.